Sunfish HR is recruitment module that enables the authorized users to add and edit manpower plan. This video will show you how to add and edit the manpower plan. To begin with, go to Recruitment, Manpower Plan. By then, you will see the recorded manpower plan. There are two methods to create a new manpower plan. The first method is by filling the form directly in the system. Click the plus button to add a new manpower plan. Afterwards, the Add Manpower Plan page will appear. You will see that the manpower plan first start date is already filled because it has been set up in Setting module. You need to select Manpower Plan Year and Manpower Plan Period. Type in the remark of Manpower Plan. If there is any file complementing the manpower plan, click Browse. Remember that the attachment extension should be adjusted to the format required by the system. In this page, the existing positions in the company will be displayed along with the actual amount. Actual is the actual amount of employees who occupied the position at the current time. MPP is manpower amount planned by the company. Choose which position you will make as manpower plan is, and input the number of manpower plan for each month in the selected period. Or, you can input it here and click Apply All to make the same number of manpower plan for each month. You can also make the same number of manpower plan and actual by selecting Same as Actual. Once it's done, click Submit, and the manpower plan you've recently made will appear on the record. The second method is by plugging the manpower plan data to the system. Click this button to add a new manpower plan data. Afterwards, the Plug Manpower Plan page will appear. You will see that the manpower plan first start date is already filled because it has been set up in Setting module. You need to select Manpower Plan Year and Manpower Plan Period. After selecting the period, the Download Template button will appear. Click it to get the template. The template contains of the existing positions in the company along with the actual amount. You can choose which position you will make as manpower plan is, and set the number of manpower plan for each month in the selected period. Once it's done, save it in your computer. Go back to the Upload Manpower Plan page and click Browse to locate the file of manpower plan data you've already made. Click Upload to input the manpower plan data to the system, and the manpower plan data you've recently plugged will appear on the record. In case you want to edit the existing recorded manpower plan, click the Manpower Plan Data link and the Edit Manpower Plan page will appear. The page looks simply similar to the Add page. Click Delete to delete the manpower plan, and the deleted manpower plan will disappear from the record. Or, so you can edit the data, and click Submit to update the record. You can also download the manpower plan you've already made by clicking Download link, then the manpower plan data will be downloaded. Different with Manpower Plan menu, which is used by the administrator to set manpower plan of all positions in the company. Manpower Plan Request is used by manager to request manpower plan for the positions in a department, and this request will be recorded in Manpower Plan menu to be accepted by the administrator. To access Manpower Plan Request, go to Recruitment, Manpower Plan Request. By then, you will see the recorded manpower plan request. Click the plus button to add a new manpower plan request. Afterwards, the Add Manpower Plan Request page will appear. Determine the manpower plan year and manpower plan period. Input the remark of manpower plan request in the provided text box. If there is any supporting file of the manpower plan request, click Browse, and locate the file to be attached. Remember that the attachment extension should be adjusted to the format required by the system. In this page, the existing positions in the company will be displayed along with the actual amount. Choose which position you will make as manpower plan request is, and input the number of manpower plan request for each month in the selected period. Or, you can input it here and click Apply All to make the same number of manpower plan request for each month. You can also make the same number of manpower plan and actual by selecting Same as Actual. Once it's done, you can click back to cancel creating the request, or click Drag to save the request as draft, or click Send to Approver to submit the request to the approver. And the manpower plan request you've recently made will appear on the record.